when it comes to maintenance or repair projects that require scraping unwanted substances off delicate surfaces. Sometimes it's best to use composite plastic scrapers, instead of abrasive metal ones. Whether the job requires sealant removal, scraping off corrosion, grease, old paint or other substances, Bojo Tools scrapers are the #1 choice for many do-it-yourself enthusiasts and organizations that range from small businesses to Fortune 500 companies and the U.S. military. Bojo Tools scrapers are manufactured in the USA and offer you the highest quality. They come in 4 main categories: classic scrapers, specialty scrapers, air chisel scrapers, and compact scrapers. Let us look at the first category. Classic scrapers. They come in 2 subcategories: straight blades and specialty blades. Some of Bojo's scrapers have been ergonomically designed with a triangular-shaped handle and thumb and index finger pinch points for a better grip, to make for a faster, more efficient job with the least discomfort to the hands. Others have holes in the handles to hang them on hooks for convenient storage. Most average 6 3/4 inches in length, which is about 17 centimeters. The first selection of classic scrapers are the straight blade or flat edge scrapers, which include narrow blades as small as 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch in width to fit smaller spaces and channels. We also have medium width blades that include 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch wide. And our wider scrapers include 1 3/4 inches, 1 9/16 inches, 2 inches, and as wide as 3 inches, to cover wider areas. Next, we have our specialty scrapers that have been designed with unique tips for special tasks, such as scraping sealants off 90-degree corners, or scraping residue and corrosive materials off tubes and pipes. They include angled blade scrapers, slot blade scrapers, and tube blade scrapers. Then we have our line of composite plastic air chisel scrapers for tougher jobs that require the use of an air hammer or pneumatic air chisel. The Bojo Air Chisel tool line is manufactured using technologically advanced high-strength composite plastic materials and helps speed up operations while minimizing operator fatigue, but with the same non-marring and non-sparking properties of our hand tools. They come in both quick disconnect or quick change standard 0.401 shanks and spring retained shanks, and average between 5 1/4 and 5 7/8 inches in length. Just like our classic and our specialty scrapers, both the quick disconnect and spring retained air chisels come in various different tips for different purposes, including flat edge chisels that range from 1/4 inch to 2 inches wide, angled blade chisels, and specialty chisels. And finally, we have our compact scrapers line, which are also referred to as micro scrapers. They are 6 11/16 inches, or 17 centimeters in length, with a handle in the center that is 3/8 of an inch wide, and 3/16 of an inch thick, for a secure and comfortable grip. Some of our compact scrapers were designed with a different blade tip on each end, with each blade of a different width. For example, our MST2 176-180X NGL features a straight edge blade that is 3/8 of an inch wide on one end, and one that is 3/16 of an inch on the other. Other compact scrapers feature angled blades. And we also offer you compact scrapers that were designed with a blade at the tip, and a handle on the other end. Compact scrapers with straight blades include MST2 176-180X NGL, and MST2 177-179X NGL. Compact scrapers with angled blades include MST2 176-183X NGL, and MST2 177-184X NGL. And compact scrapers with handles on one end include MST2 191-78X NGL, and MST2 191-82X NGL. So whether it's classic scrapers, specialty scrapers, air chisel scrapers, or compact scrapers, Bojo Tools has the composite plastic scraper for you, or your organization, to help you complete maintenance, repair or overhaul projects faster, safer, and all the while saving you money. Be sure to learn more about our scrapers, as well as our other lines of composite plastic tools, such as our prying tools, wrench and socket inserts, and wire handling tools, at bojotools.com.